Chat, we live in an age that you can literally pass off anything as AI. Like in 10 years, there's no longer going to be a jail or court system because everything's going to be passed off as AI. You're not going to be able to convict or prove anybody innocent anymore. 10 years, there's not going to be any jails no more. Y'all realize that, right? Because like I said earlier in the stream, I have heard AI voices of me that you almost literally, it sounds exactly the same. Replay it. It's AI generated, and you know what, chat? Even